Okay, here we go. Old Blue. Doing its job. So you can see how the baler picks up the hay. So you see, this is quite a long thing, so it's hard for me to control. And there's adjustments on the baler to do and everything, so it makes me quite nervous. I'm so happy to have my elf doing it for me. So there we go. That's how we bale hay. It's an older baler, and it's not a new system, but I'm not a farm with 200-300 cattle either. It serves my purpose. There we go. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a good day.